In this video, I'll show how to clear the tire pressure monitor service required warning if the wheels were replaced and they were previously registered with the car. The user manual mentions this case. If the wheels have been previously registered, then you can set the new wheels via the menu. If the wheels are new, then they have to be registered by Mitsubishi here on the left, and then you can set them via the menu. One example would be if you have two wheel sets, one for summer and another for winter. Let's do it then. You will need this one button. You long press to enter a choice in the menu and short press to navigate the menu. Alright, so I'm in the menu now. I'm gonna find the settings. Setting menu. So I'm gonna press and hold there. Alright, now I'm gonna find this is it. You can see there that it's the symbol that shows it's the tire pressure monitor system, or TPMS for short, and Mitsubishi allows you to store two sets of wheels, and you can see that it's paired with set 1, which is my summer wheel set, so I'm gonna change it to set 2. So I press and hold, and then it's 2. Alright, and then I press it again, return, press and hold, and there you go. The alert is cleared because I set it to the other wheel set. Then we're ready to go. So what you can see now is that the TPMS symbol is blinking there on the right, which means that you just have to drive a few kilometers with the car so that the system reads the tire pressure, and then it's gonna clear. Alright.